Podcast setup tour for medyo seryosong podcast. So, isang Amaran F22C, powered at 1%, 5600 Kelvin. And then the other F22C, which is the key light, at 30%, 7500 Kelvin. The cameras are Sony cams, FX3, A7 IV, both with 24 to 70 lenses, S-Log 3, 24 frames, white balance at 7500 Kelvin, same as the key light, para mag-warm yung buong space. For audio, we have Deity Theos. The receiver to the FX3 and the other line goes to the A7 IV. So parehong may audio. Yung lav mic, kinabit ko lang sa mugs, which they were holding. Sa background, naglagay lang kami ng lamps, pavo tube, and another lamp, and then this light. That's it. If you have questions regarding the setup, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one. Bye.